Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to change your avatar on PUBG Mobile. Okay, if you want a custom profile picture. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, I have myself right here as my profile picture. And why is that? How does it happen? Or how is it possible? So what you can do basically is just go ahead and connect your Facebook account. Okay, update your Facebook profile picture, and then it will go ahead and sync right here on your PUBG Mobile. But before that, tap on the up arrow key right here. Go ahead over to settings. And then under account info, just click on the plus sign. And then just go ahead and add in your Facebook account. As you can see here, mine is already added. Okay. Link your Facebook account. And then after that, you should be good to go. All right. That's basically it. Again, just link your Facebook account, change your profile picture under your Facebook account, and it will automatically sync your profile picture right here. And that's how easy it is to change the avatar in PUBG Mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.